Marketplace plugins are the biggest opportunities for democratizing AI to everybody. Installing that in Claude is relatively easy. If you're using the Claude desktop, very easy to do this installation. Not so much for the Codex desktop. And there are folks that really appreciate and like the Codex experience. But if you want additional plugins in this experience, it's not so easy. In today's video, I'll show you how. Now, to follow along for this particular video, you're going to go over to aireadyu.dev site. This is about making AI for you as an individual. Here, you're going to go over to Codex, and we'll want to install this plugin that comes with a series of skills for our life. So here, we're going to go over to the CLI. Now, if we did this with Claude, I will show how easy it is with Claude. Just go over to Customize, go to Browse Plugins, click on Personal, click on an existing plugin. If you have one, this is already installed. If not, click on Plus, add Marketplace, paste in the URL. How easy is that? And what URL do you paste? You simply come over, copy this URL right here for Claude, this repo. So just a public GitHub repo. Paste that and sync that. Voila, you have a series of about 11 or so skills available within your Claude environment to use. And we know skills are so powerful. But what if we want to do that for Codex? And I think that's really the challenge. Is there an easy way to do that? And here is what it looks like in the Codex experience. You're going to come in over here to manage. Well, it doesn't really help us. Go back to create. Not really helpful. Click on create. Is asking you to describe that. Again, not really helpful. All I want is simply to give a link and have that plugins available. So here is where, and I know some folks are not comfortable with the CLI before this setup. You might just need to do a CLI. And I think it's not as scary as it might seem. So I'll go through how to get that set up with the CLI. So go back over to aireadyu.dev view, go to Codex. In this case, we're not going to the desktop, not the desktop. We're going over to the CLI. And you see the command right here, just simply copy this command. So Codex plugin marketplace add, and that's the marketplace. So just copy this entire command and then go back to CLI. How do you get the CLI? So if I scroll down on Mac, if you use Mac, just right click, create a new session, and you have a CLI. So here you're going to paste that command. You don't have to understand what this does. Don't make it too complicated. If you're not comfortable with CLIs, it's really that easy. I know a fair amount of my audience would prefer the desktop, which is why the CLI is not their main tool. So go ahead and run this for Codex. And it says added this marketplace from this GitHub repo, and that is installed. That is it. That is essentially what is needed. So just that one command has added that marketplace for us. So and I'll go back here. Now you can launch Codex on the CLI if you prefer the CLI. So that's fine. And I'll show the CLI. Just go back to the desktop here real quick. So do plugins, browse. Now we should see, tap over to your right. So this takes us to the plugins that are available. There is a plugin now called AI Ready Live available with a whole library of those skills available for the different domains. So really cool. But again, you're not using the CLI, you want the desktop. So what do? We go over back here, and I will, for once, just quit this. We just have to restart that because we've done the new installation. So once you've successfully quit that, it's kind of, so we just did a successful restart of the Codex desktop app after running that command on the CLI. Now we're going to go back to plugins. It's a little bit slow. So sometimes you have to click and wait. I think there's something happening in the background. Now go over here to not the Codex officials, but now you would see this one from the marketplace showing up right here. Select that and voila, you have a list of those skills and agents available for you to use. How impressive is that? So if you want to talk with your insurance, you can click on this. This is 2 agents, health, life, auto, renters, insurance management. You want to get the vault that comes with it right here. And these are the skills that are included. Not all the skills are fully baked yet, but some of these are more inspirational to give you an idea on how you can interrogate your insurance data per se. Here, And in future videos, we'll talk through the naming convention of the skill. What is an op? What is a flow? What is an app skill? What is a task skill? I think there is a reason behind that. So that will be it. But let's take an example. Ops is typically the biggest umbrella. You want to do a claims review. You click on this. It gives you a description, what the skill does, new claim filing, some denial, conversations to have, and triggers, and all of that. So, but the very important part is what the skill, where it reads from. It reads from the vault of insurance, and it writes to that vault in insurance. So the things that are learned by the skills are written in that location. So assuming you want this skill, just simply click on this. So this is a detail about this particular skill. Install that. So anyone, I mean, if you use the Codex environment, you can get access to this skill. And now this is installed in your Codex environment. So click on try this. Now you have a skill right here. So I can do something like tell me about my insurance posture as an example, just to interrogate that for a little bit. And now you have an agent going and potentially talking to your insurance data. That's how easy it is. And a lot of folks are excited about the AI models. I think you really should be excited about the skills, the plugins, but more importantly, the marketplace that allows you to amplify that. Think about what the Apple App Store did for apps. Plugins and plugin marketplaces is going to do the same thing for AI and how folks can get access to different AIs and skills. So hopefully this gives you an idea on how to get that set up in your environment. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Go out, check out AI Ready You, the dev site. There is the skills are available. There are bundles to get to give you a template for the vault, and it also has some questions and prompts to use. So look at it as a way to get accelerated with your AI readiness, or just as a way to support the channel. Greatly appreciated. As always, this is Fru. Thank you for watching and sticking to the end. I'll see you in the next demo.